The next one is light activated LED using this LDR. So this is the LDR, light dependent resistor. Here same one leg is big and one leg is shorter. So insert it longer leg this side, shorter leg this side. Insert it properly so that it goes inside. And then take this LED. The longer leg should go just below the shorter leg of the LDR. And the shorter leg the other side. And then take the resistor just below the shorter leg of LED, and another here somewhere. And then take the battery negative terminal just below this resistor terminal, and the positive one just below the LDR's longer leg. Now this and this positive terminal just below the LDR. So now this LDR is exposed to light, so this LED is glowing. If we just keep our finger on this, the brightness is very low, the LED is almost off condition, and if again it is exposed to light, it glows brightly. So we can activate the LED using this LDR.